Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make zesty sauce for onion rings. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of ketchup, and 2 tablespoons of prepared horseradish. For an extra kick, grab 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce and a few dashes of your favorite hot sauce. Finally, we'll add 1/2 teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika to complete our flavor profile. This easy method ensures a delicious result every time. Now, let's start mixing. In a medium bowl, combine your 1 cup of creamy mayonnaise and 1/4 cup of tangy ketchup. Whisk these together until they are well incorporated and smooth. Next, add the 2 tablespoons of prepared horseradish, which provides that signature zesty kick. Stir everything thoroughly to ensure the horseradish is evenly distributed throughout the base. This creates a perfect foundation for our flavorful sauce. With our base ready, it's time to introduce the spices. Add 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder to the mixture. These powders infuse a rich, savory aroma. Next, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, which adds subtle warmth and a beautiful, vibrant color. Finally, customize the heat by adding a few dashes of hot sauce, adjusting to your personal preference. Mix well until all ingredients are fully combined. Once your zesty sauce is fully mixed, cover the bowl tightly and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. This crucial step allows all the wonderful flavors to meld together, creating a more complex and delicious taste. A chilled sauce also provides a refreshing contrast to hot, crispy onion rings. Serve it alongside your favorite fried treats and enjoy. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.